Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. This is Cambridge International AS and A level paper 1 for year 12. So we have this paper is from October November 2023, right? So you will get a list of formula sheet MF19 for this paper. Here are the instructions, you all know that. So let's start with the first question. I would request you guys, if you are new to the channel, kindly subscribe to the channel and share it with your friends and write your feedback in the comment section for any improvements. Kindly subscribe and hit the like button if you like the videos, and let me know in the comment section about your feedback. So let's start. Question 1 we have here: expand this in ascending powers of x up to all including up to the terms in x square. So that means we are taking terms up to x squared. So I'm using here, there are two ways: either you can expand it by binomial theorem or you can use Pascal's triangle. I'm using Pascal triangle here. As you can see, we have n is 6 here. So we are going to take the first one for n equals to 0, then like this: 1 2 plus 1 3 3 and 1, then 1 4 6 4 and 1, then we will have 1 5 10 10 5 and 1, and this is 0 1 2 3 4 5 and 6. One more: 1 6, this will be 15 20 15 6 and 1, right? So these are the coefficients that we are going to use to find out the expansion of this one. So I'm rewriting this one. Let me put it on our side here. So we have 1 plus 3x power 6. So we will have the coefficients as 1. Then next one is going to be we will have 6. Then third one is going to be 15, then 20 and so on, right? So but we need to write other terms here also. So the first one we will be having here 3x power 0, so that will remain 1. Then this is going to have here 3x power 0, here is going to be 3x power 1 and 1 power doesn't matter, 1 power 5. Then 15, it's going to be here 3x squared, and here we are going to have 3x cubed. So we are just looking terms up to x squared, so we will just take the first three terms here. So 1, this is 3x power 0 is 1, plus 18x plus 15 times 9x squared, right? So this is 1 plus 18x plus 135 x squared. So this is our final answer here, okay, because question asks only terms up to x squared. Then hence find the coefficient of x squared in this expansion. Now by using first part, we are going to find the coefficient of x squared. So let's do that. So we have 1 plus 3x power 6. So let's write this first, the expansion of that we got in the first part. This remains as it is. So 1 plus 3x power 6, this was 1 plus 18x plus 135 x squared, right? So now we are looking for the actually the coefficient of x square. Coefficient of x square 1 we are going to get when you multiply here to this term. This is going to be 135, right? I'm just writing the coefficients of x squared here. And then 7x is going to multiply here with the 18. So it's 18 times 7, so minus 7 times 18. Then x squared, it is 1, so plus 1, right? So we have here 135 minus 126 plus 1. So this is 135, 136 minus 126, final answer is 10. So this is our answer. Now question number 2, a line has an equation and the curve has this equation where c is the constant. Show all necessary working, determine which of the following statement is correct. We have three different statements. Basically we have one line here and one curve here. We are going to merge them because they are intersecting somewhere. So I am equating both sides. So we will have here cx squared plus 3x minus c is going to equal to 2cx plus 3. Now let's rearrange that. Cx squared plus 3x minus c, so minus 2cx minus 3 equals to 0. So 3x squared, this is a quadratic actually, so this is going to be 3 minus 2cx minus c plus 3. Okay, so this is a quadratic in x, so we will find out the discriminant, because all these options we are going to decide based upon the discriminant. So discriminant is b squared minus 4ac. So this gives us 3 minus 2c squared minus 4ac minus c plus 3. Okay, so just expand the bracket. 9 minus 12c plus 4c squared plus 4c squared plus 12c. This 12c and 12c is cancelled. So we have discriminant here 8c squared plus 9. So now this is going to be positive for all values of c. This is positive for all values of c because c is a c squared, because c squared is always greater than 0. So that means the line and curve. So when it discriminant is greater, then this option is going to be correct. The line and the curve intersect for all points of x. So correct answer is going to be B here, right?